question of whether social good can be quantified has long been a concern for policymakers. To maximize the benefits of limited public resources, it is crucial to set impact goals and measure government's progress in achieving them. Until recently, governments, investors, and businesses had not rigorously attempted to measure the social outcomes they achieve, largely because they believed that social impacts were inherently not measurable. However, times have changed, and the Impact Weighted Accounts Initiative at Harvard Business School has demonstrated that it is indeed possible to measure and value in monetary terms various social impacts using big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Impacts that can be measured include gender and ethnic diversity within a company, differences in career advancement and compensation, payment below the living wage, health and safety standards, and overall diversity. All of these impacts can now be quantified in monetary terms. The ability to measure and assess impact empowers investors, employees, and consumers to compare the social contributions of different companies. This brings the concept of impact directly into financial analysis. Governments are increasingly joining efforts, either directly or through regulators, to establish standards and mandate impact transparency. This engagement by EU, US, and global regulators further enhances the importance of measuring social impact. Financial markets have responded to this growing need by introducing innovative financial instruments like social impact bonds and sustainability-linked bonds and loans. These instruments link financial returns to the achieved social and environmental outcomes. Today, such pay-for-outcomes instruments represent a substantial value worth more than $1 trillion. Research by Big Society Capital proves that such funding is twice as effective as direct government funding. Pay-for-outcomes also allows government to attract private capital that is returned and remunerated only when goals have been achieved. In this way, PFO increases the resources at government's disposal to achieve social benefits, while also ensuring that the money has been effectively spent. Using these measurement methods is essential in addressing critical public health issues like diabetes. Diabetes affects around 800 million people worldwide, while malnutrition, stunting, and wasting affect hundreds of millions of children around the world. Governments can tackle social issues twice as effectively by integrating measured outcomes as an essential part of social delivery, and they can do so while only paying for achieved outcomes. Here are the key messages. Social impacts can be measured. Pay-for-outcomes methods are twice as cost-effective as existing ones. This allows government to achieve the maximum social benefit for their expenditure. Pay-for-outcomes allows governments to attract private capital in achieving social goods. We've always thought that nothing can be measured in the social sphere. Now that measurement has become possible, it reveals unexpected ways of spending government money much more effectively to improve our lives. Interested in learning more about the impact revolution and the shift towards impact economies which it envisions? Subscribe for more Impact Made Simple videos and follow Sir Ronnie Cohen on LinkedIn, YouTube, and X.